The video is intended for education and training of eye surgeon. Viewer discretion is advised, not recommended for children. Hello friends, I am Dr. Saurabh Patwardhan from Nandadeep Eye Hospital, Sangli, India, and in this video I will be dealing about a very common situation, which is a soft posterior subcapsular cataract in fairly young individual, and I want to show how to do phacoaspiration. In previous videos I have already shown the Carrousel technique for soft cataract, and you can see I am using Callisto eye, which is a markerless system, and in this case the patient has 0.9 diopter astigmatism at 70 degrees axis. This is the left eye of the patient. Patient is one-eyed, so I am going to sit temporally here and take the incision at 70 degree as per the mark which was shown by the Callisto. I always use Hylucoat in most of my surgeries, which is same like Viscoat, and it coats the endothelium beautifully, and patient has very quiet eye post-operatively, and the endothelium is saved from the brunt of the phacoemulsification. This is the CCC. The two circles indicate 5.3 and 5.7 millimeters. So I want to keep the capsular axis as central as possible. This capsular axis marks are aligned according to visual axis of the patient, which gives better centration. You can also do manual marking using a 6 millimeter optic gauge marker on the corneal epithelium. So once the capsular axis is achieved, I am going to do first cortex cleaving hydrodissection. Just watch how the wave goes beautifully, then decompress and tap on the other side, then do hydrodelineation. So push the 27 gauge cannula into the substance of the nucleus and do hydrodelineation, and you want to make as small ring as possible so you get a smaller nucleus which you can take it out during phacoaspiration. So this is a grade 1 to 2 cataract, very soft, and I don't want to do divisions or chopping in this case, and I just want to do phacoaspiration. So good nucleus rotation is always helpful. So I am going in with the bevel down, 1 millimeter exposed phaco tip. I am using 400 vacuum, 110 bottle height, taking out the epinucleus, which is the cover over the nucleus, and then at the edge of this nucleus you can see I aspirated the nucleus and it just popped out. Because of good hydrodelineation, it was already separated from the epinucleus, and using the same bevel down technique I am aspirating. Now I am using no phaco at all, I am just using the aspiration. So this is like a zero phaco surgery where I am just going to use the aspiration using the phaco probe, and as you can see it just cleans out everything. The cortex is removed by coaxial IA. The whole surgery takes hardly 5 to 7 minutes, and I am going to use a micro EDOF IOL. This is Magnificent IOL from Care Group, and it gives around the extended depth of 1.2 to 1.3 diopter without compromising on the distance vision. So this is perfect for this patient. It is not going to give any dysphotopsias. The capsular axis is perfect, covering the optic nicely. Those holes are not dialing holes, these are just part of design, no specific requirement of those, but just part of the design of the IOL. And the viscoelastic removal, I always do very religious removal of the OVD from the back, from the angles. That gives very quiet post-operative period for the patient. Patient is very comfortable. For more such videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit our website phacotraining.org.in. Thank you so much.